The folks along the Atlantic coast, around the Carolinas and Virginia and Maryland, are dealing with this, Craig.
Yeah, remember the three parts of the storm that we dealt with: the anxiety, the run-up to it, the storm itself, and then the recovery afterwards, which in many cases was worse than the storm. Here's what's going on tonight: 140-mile-an-hour winds moving to the west-northwest at 17. The pressure kind of has steadied out now. It had dropped a bit lower. I think it was 943, the lowest I saw, and then it came up to around 950. Pressure, an indication of the wind and wind relationship with the outside pressure. So a lower value here, typically a stronger storm, but a rising value indicates weakening, and now it looks like it's kind of reached a steady state. Here's the future track, and once again it is to the coast, and then there go the brakes, and it slows down quite a bit. And the forecast is for it to drift to the west at that point over parts of South Carolina as well as maybe even Georgia. The warnings tonight continue from parts of South Carolina. They may need to be extended a little bit farther to the south now, with a track starting to shift a little bit to the south. Also storm surge warnings in effect. And from this point here, which is Cape Fear to Cape Lookout, up to 13 feet of storm surge. That's the ocean coming over the land there as a possibility. Here's our latest on Tropical Storm Isaac. Winds down now to 65 miles an hour, moving to the west at 16. Comes into the islands late tomorrow night or Thursday morning. So in the islands here, you need to have your plan in place by tomorrow night when the sun goes down, because the storm could arrive before the sun comes up. Then after that, it's forecast to weaken into a tropical wave at the end of the track. So tropical storm warnings now from Guadeloupe through Dominica to Martinique. Tropical storm watches to the north of that. Those are the new watches and warnings. No hurricane warnings or watches now for the islands. There's the way Isaac looks tonight. Not looking too good. And then here is our disturbance that we're watching here in the southeast Gulf. This is part of an upper level system and also a bunch of thunderstorms, but it is forecast to develop. It would become a tropical depression number 9. Moving to the northwest and reaching the coast by Friday or the weekend. We're kind of stuck in the middle here. There's the disturbance. There's Florence to the east. Not a bad place to be. I think we'll take the summer thunderstorms out of the way of those tropical systems moving to the northwest. For us tonight, summer breeze, summer muggies rather, and a little bit of breeze, but not much. Winds mostly calm, a low near 78. Tomorrow, hot and humid and some stray storms, a high temperature around 90. Still a little bit of high cloudiness from that disturbance. For boaters, east-northeast on the water, seas running about 1 to 2 feet, but we're going to start seeing a swell in a couple of days here, especially by the weekend from Florence. Highs around 90, lows in the upper 70s, a mix of sun and some storms through the weekend.